Air compressors play a key role in a variety of machinery and different operations. To ensure air compressors operate correctly and efficiently, customers have to know they can trust who they are getting the compressor from. In China, a trusted market leader of air compressor parts is Airpull Shanghai Filter. With a talented team of employees working together on R&D, design, production, and marketing of a diverse line of products, our customers come to us knowing we can meet their needs for high-quality air filters. They know they will also be the recipient of a comprehensive range of after-sales service based on user experience and feedback. Headquartered in Shanghai, with another expansive facility in Xinjiang City in the Henan province, we are a state-of-the-art company with extensive international trade operations. We are an awarded member of the China General Machinery Industry Association, and our air oil separators have been patented by the State Intellectual Property Office of China. We have also established a fully equipped testing center to develop new products and test the quality of each finished product before it is sent to the customer. From the beginning, Airpull has made use of advanced production and testing facilities, as well as a sophisticated manufacturing technique. Each of these advantages has allowed us to provide our customers with outstanding products, services, and solutions. In the past few years, in order to continue to produce high-quality products, we have grown into a large manufacturer of air compressor filters and have exported all over the world to Europe, the Americas, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Africa, and other locations. Our filters have been widely used in electricity, petroleum, pharmaceutical, machinery, textile, chemical, metallurgy, and environmental protection industries. We can produce 3 different filter varieties, managed by different employees in separate production workshops. These filter workshops include the Air Filter Workshop, Oil Filter Workshop, and Air Oil Separator Workshop. Our air compressor filters are produced using numerous conventional facilities, including circular shearing machines, mechanical presses, hydraulic presses, and horizontal lathes. We also use fully automatic production equipment to complete the framework rolling, cutting, and diamond-shaped mesh forming operations. This gives the filter its efficient structure. Airpull has a series of testing labs. They rigidly test the filtration and separation, including the leakage, pressure, oil carrier, and materials. The finished products are packed in strict accordance with international standards. After packaging is completed, finished filters will be sent into our 2 large-scale warehouses. The air filter is made using pure pulp paper filter that comes from the American HV company and the Korean company Alstom. It can remove dust, sand, moisture, oil mist, and other impurities floating in the air. This product is developed for a wide variety of compressor companies, including Swedish-based Atlas Copco, American-based Ingersoll Rand, American-based Comp Air, Taiwan-based Fusheng, American-based Solair, and German-based Kaiser. The filter element of our air oil separator is constructed with ultra-fine fiberglass composite materials, which are sourced from American HV Company and American Lidl Company. This product allows the vaporous oil mixture to be completely removed from compressed air. With the use of a sophisticated roll welding and electric welding technique, as well as the most recently developed composite adhesive, the filter element is guaranteed to possess items with an ultra-high mechanical strength and can operate at a high temperature of over 120 degrees Celsius. This air oil separator has a lifespan of 3,500 to 5,200 hours. It is designed for numerous compressor companies such as Swedish-based Atlas Copco, American-based Ingersoll Rand, American-based Comp Air, Taiwan-based Fusheng, and American-based Solair. We produce this oil filter with the ultra-fine glass fiber composite material imported from the American company HV, or using pure pulp filter paper imported from the Korean company Alstom. The product can remove solid particles, impurities, and other unwanted substances from oil, which allows engines and other mechanical components to be well protected. We designed this product for an extensive selection of compressor companies, including the Swedish-based Atlas Copco, American-based Ingersoll Rand, American-based Comp Air, Taiwan-based Fusheng, and American-based Solair.